Hello guys, welcome to Educators. We are here to make learning easier, and in this video we'll be discussing about Unity, and also I'll show you how to install Unity and how to set everything. Okay, first you need to search Unity archive in Chrome, and the first link unity3.com/get unity/download/archive, and here you can get different versions of Unity, previous versions of Unity, and you can download the latest version according to the time when the video uploaded. Unity 2020.1.6 is the latest version. So I already have Unity 2019 version, so I'm not interested. So first you need to click on download Windows Unity installer, and Unity installer gets downloaded, and from that you can download the Unity hub. Okay, you need to download the Unity hub, and then from that you will get to download Unity editor. Okay, and the next thing is we will see how to create a Unity ID. Unity ID helps to access all your project assets or your projects from various computers. So I already have my Unity ID, so I need not create one. So if you want, you can create a Unity ID. So after installation, this is how Unity hub looks like. Okay, this is what Unity hub looks like, and here you can see a person icon. Click on that, and here also you can click on sign in. Here you can also sign in here in sign in. So okay, now we will create our project. You can click on new, and here you need to give your project a name. So by default, new Unity project will be displayed. So what I want to change it to Solar System Project. So Solar System Project is that we are going to build in this what you call a series. So you can select the location where you want it to get saved. So I want it to get saved on the desktop. Okay, and here are the templates, and I am going to select a 3D because we are going to build a 3D one. It's not actually a game, but it's a kind of very great simulation, So and click on create. It will take some time to load. It started Unity. Yeah, and here you can see Solar System Project, the first one, and yes, it is initializing project template. As it might be your first time, so it will take a lot of time to start the project. And here on the desktop you can see a Solar System Project folder being created. On the desktop, yeah, these are the folder assets, scenes. Assets are nothing but what are the properties that objects in the game have. They might be material or the textures, the audio, and here all the things that Unity editor needs. So temp is the system cache, you see that one, and these are all the things that are initially contained in Solar System Project folder. Okay, and still it's taking a lot of time to load. Yes, it is resolving packages. When did this computer recording? Delete.